Okay, let's prepare our Brussels sprouts. I hope my bowl's big enough. I just washed and sliced these. And then I'm going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You can either bake these in the oven or you can put them in the air fryer, and it helps if you make a mess because it seems like that's all I'm doing today. Then add 2 tablespoons of garlic, a half a tablespoon of black pepper, a half a tablespoon of basil, a half a tablespoon of parsley, and 1/2 tablespoon of oregano. And all this is stuff that I dry from my herb garden. And then the big thing we need to do is just toss it. Just toss this around. And I may need to do a little bit more of because this recipe called for 16 ounces of my Brussels sprouts, and I had a little bit more than that. Oh, I got more than that now. Oh, it'll be good and crispy now. Let's get that tossed in there. And then we'll spray. You can either use a baking sheet or you can use your air fryer. I have an air fryer, so I'm gonna just use my air fryer. And I'm using olive oil spray. The recipe called for like 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I prefer just to use a spray. And then we will put these in the air fryer at 350 or in the oven until they're golden brown.